Now let us see how we can write the equations for the chemical equations, chemical reactions. See, for example, carbon, let this be the carbon, okay, and this be the oxygen. So if it is reacting, so we can write, this let be the symbol plus O2. So let's see how it will be forming. So it could be C. So oxygen, oxygen, carbon, okay, and here it is supposed to form CO2. That means one carbon, it combines with the two oxygen, it forms carbon dioxide. And yeah, see, whenever you are writing an equation, for example, I will write this equation again, C plus O2, it is CO2. Okay, whenever you are writing an equation, you should ensure that in both the side, in the reactant end as well as in the product end, the number of atoms it should be same. So here it is one carbon, here also there is one carbon, right? Of course, here it is two oxygen, here also it is two oxygen. So in both side it is same, so the equations are balanced. Now we will write the reaction between hydrogen and reaction between, let it be hydrogen, H and H. Okay, plus oxygen, okay, hydrogen and oxygen. Now like H2 plus, okay, O2, so you can write it will form H2O. So you can write it is supposed to be 2H2O. I will tell you why. So now yeah, so one hydrogen, it is two hydrogen. Totally how many hydrogens are here? It is four hydrogen, right? So this is oxygen and so hydrogen plus oxygen, hydrogen. Okay. So this is the thing, and here what you need to know. See, here it is like a 2 into 2. So four hydrogen are there, and two oxygen atoms are here. Then here also four hydrogen is there, two oxygen atoms are there. So both side of the equation it is balanced. Always try to remember that the equations are balanced in both side of the reaction. Okay. Very important thing. One of the very important thing to remember is, okay, always whenever you are writing an equation, you should write the symbol. For example, C plus O2, CO2. Okay. So here it is solid, here it is gas. So this is also gas. Now what you can understand is, see here, carbon it is a solid, right? So you have to write S in the bracket. Oxygen it is a gas, you have to write G in the bracket. CO2 again you have to write G in the bracket. Okay, now for this particular reaction, for example, 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. So this is gas, this is also gas, and this is liquid. You can write, of course, yeah, this L symbolizes liquid, and here in both sides, it is symbolizes H2, it symbolizes G for gas. Hydrogen it is a gas, oxygen it is also a gas. Similarly, whenever you are writing an equation, for example, let it be ionization of sodium chloride, so NaCl, so Na plus Cl minus, so this is a solid. Now when it is ionizing, it is aqueous. So AQ it denotes in which environment it is, whether it is in the watery environment. So that is what it is a denoter. Okay, yeah. How we can write the equations? For example, when you are trying to write an equation, try to write it in words. For example, calcium plus chlorine gives calcium chloride. So for this, you can write, first you can write using the letters, the word. Next one, you can write Ca plus Cl2 gives CaCl2. Try to ensure that you are writing the right symbols. Okay, whether it is atomic symbol or molecular symbol, try to ensure that you are writing the right symbols. Okay, so here it is calcium, it is Ca, chlorine it is Cl2, and the calcium chloride it is CaCl2. Okay. And now the next step is you have to balance it. For example, here it is one calcium, here also it is one calcium, here it is one Cl2, here also it is one Cl2. Okay, so That is how it is actually. Both side it is calcium, both side it is Cl2. Okay. And now you can write, next thing is, you have to write its, physical form. Ca, it is S plus Cl2, it is gas. Okay. So CaCl2, that is solid. So you have to write its a physical state, and this is the way you need to do. Now let us see how it is reacting with the hydrogen and chlorine. It is reacting. So H2, let it be hydrogen gas and chlorine. It is reacting. It is you can write its word form, hydrogen plus chlorine. So it is hydrogen chloride. Okay, so here you can write H2 plus Cl2 gives HCl. Now you need to balance. See, here it is 2 hydrogen, here it is 2 chlorine, here it is only 1 hydrogen, 1 chlorine. So what you can do is you can multiply it with the 2, so that it is 2 HCl. Okay, and now both are gases. Hydrogen, it is a gas, chlorine, it is a gas, HCl is also a gas. You can write its physical state within the bracket. Now see, if a magnesium ribbon, okay, let's see how magnesium ribbon it is burning. When it is burning, okay, it forms magnesium reactive with oxygen. And what you can write, okay, so magnesium plus oxygen, so it to form magnesium oxide. Okay, so what you can write here, Mg plus O2 MgO. So here see this oxygen, it is 2 oxygen. You can just write it 2. So here it is 2. So now it is 2 Mg. Here also 2 Mg. Here it is 2 oxygen. Here also 2 oxygen. Okay. So both equations are balanced. Now let's write the physical state. Here magnesium, it is solid, oxygen, it is gas, magnesium oxide, it is again a solid. Okay, so this is how the balanced equations are coming. Okay,